Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is JB Tech. Please, if not subscribed to my channel, I'll plead with you to give me a subscription. Please, subscription gives me the energy. It motivates me to actually get a new product for you guys so that you make a good decision on your next gadgets that you want to buy, either buy it or if there's any other better option, I'll let you know. Please subscribe to my channel, like my videos, I'm begging you. Today we have here Oraimo smart keyboard. You know everything about Oraimo is smart. They have this keyboard. This is a traditional one that we all have. So we all will be using it. Yeah, as time goes on, yeah, new innovation, new products comes day in day out. And today we have here the Oraimo, that's the Oraimo smart keyboard. That's the keyboard kit. Let's see what is in this box. This is the unboxing. As we all know, Oraimo, when it comes to packaging, they are superb. So let me see how we can go about it. Okay. I think it must go here. Okay. So this is what we have here. As usual, the manual to read over. That's the manual for you, please. Things you need to do, not to do, they are all in here. And it's good to read your manual so that what you buy, you don't actually waste money distracting it and getting a new one when the time is not due. Getting money these days is very difficult. Read your manual, it protects you, saves you. And we have here the keyboard itself. Let's see what is in the box. The promise of a keyboard and mouse. Okay, there's a mouse here. I don't know whether it uses slides or it's just... There's a mouse here. Yeah. I want to know what it actually uses, whether it's... Oh, okay. It uses battery. Yeah. Let's put this one here. Oh, okay. You see, you can actually charge the cable. Yeah. So it's rechargeable, the cable. So this is the cord or the cable used for charging it. Let me see if there's something in again. That's all. There's nothing in the box again. That's all. Let's put it to one side. Let's see the cable. This is how the cable looks like. Actually, let me see the traditional ones. It's a creaky sound here, which is very minimal. It looks very premium. You can see it's very premium, very cute. Very cute. I think you can just put it in your backpacks. One. It's not even up to two. It's good. Since you have all the keys, F1 to F12, your traditional ones. There's no you see, sometimes we have the what do you call it, the numeric keys. This one has been put together here. And it's very nice. Let me see why they switched off for. Okay, there's on or off switch here. Let's see. Oh, okay. So this one is like a Wi-Fi, signifying that the keyboard is on. I don't know, it came on. I don't know whether it's because of, yeah, it's on. And here's the charging port. There's nothing there again. It looks so premium and so cute. Let's see the traditional one. You see the traditional one here. Let's see. Let me measure. You see where So you can actually put this thing in your bag everywhere. I think it's Bluetooth, so you just connect it wirelessly, and either phone or laptops or desktops that has Bluetooth capabilities. I think you can connect it and use it wirelessly. It's very nice. I'll use this keyboard for some time and come up with a full review about how the battery lasts, typing experience on this keyboard, and the mouse. So stay tuned. Please subscribe to my channel if not done so. Help me grow my channel so that I'll be able to bring to you the modern or many things that you want to buy. I can help you make a good choice. I can also help you to recommend a product for you. All will be done if you subscribe to my channel to give me the energy, give me the morale, give me the peace of mind that people are at least appreciating what I'm doing. Thank you very much. We shall meet. Sign out.